my name is Alexia Shanae and welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing our nails because baby they need to be done. Let's not don't look too hard. And today we are using BTARTBOX nails to do our nails today. I feel like I mastered making my nails last 2 weeks plus, and when I mean my nails, I mean like press on nails. I feel like I've mastered, whether it's like BT Art, no matter what the brand is, even though I only use 2 press on nails, one of them being the BTARTBOX nails. So yeah, I feel like I mastered, you know, doing my nails and making them last honestly almost a month. So I feel like I can show y'all like my tips and tricks and what I use to make my nails last super duper long. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of this video. So BT Art was kind enough to send me some of their nail products. They did send me 5 of their press-on nails. They have 3 steps in putting on your nails. First step is the builder gel. The second step is the top coat, and this is the gel glue. These gels do require a LED light, which comes in handy if you don't already own one. So it's a one-stop shop. In the box, it did come with a nail filer, which is going to be great for like buffing out your nails to make sure it sticks on. So, but if you don't have any of these and you don't have access to a LED light, you can just get regular glue and it works the same. Now that you have everything that you need, let's go ahead and get into the nails. These are the personal nails that I'm using. These are, since it's spring and summertime, it's summertime at the moment, the press on, like I did get the purple press-ons, so that's what I'm going to put on my nails. I don't know if I'm going to use the light color or the dark color. Like, I don't know what I'm going to put on my nails, but I'm going to figure it out by when I start. How I prep my nails for application: first I will cut them down just to give it a little trim. Now that my nails are cut down, I'm going to use the nail filer that came with the set and just file down my nails. Now this filer is a really good filer, and it don't take too, it's not like taking everything. Like, all you need is just 1, 2 for real. Like, you don't need that much. You know, it's not, you don't gotta use a lot of elbow grease, but you gotta be careful because it's already kind of messed up my little cuticle. Okay, so this is how my nails look. They look real ashy, real beat down. This is how my nails look right now, all filed down. But this is the important step. Honestly, this is the step that have my nails lasting a long time. Plug it in this LED light for the nails. As you can see. So these are the nails in question. It's just different variations of purple. And the purple that I want to go with, I'm going to go with this dark purple. I'm going to use the gel glue. Now the first time I used this glue, I applied it to the nail, my nail, and this nail. But you really just need to apply it to the fake nail. So I'm putting this on. And how I put the nail on. Okay, so how I apply the nail, I'm trying to show y'all and show myself too. But I apply it, I'll try to go underneath my cuticle or just right below my cuticle and just do it like that and press it on. And with the gel glue, it's not gonna like stick on your nail, so that's why you gotta go in with the nail, with the light. Okay, so these are the nails and these are what they look like. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply the top coat. I'm gonna apply the top coat and put it under the light again. But one thing that I love about this top coat that is really shiny. It's It's really shiny and it leaves my nails looking like I just left the salon. Like, now that that's applied, I'm just gonna put it underneath the lamp. And I'm gonna do that for all of my nails, and then we'll be back. So my nails are done, but they're not complete. See those little like clippy things? Like the little tabby things. So I'm gonna take my nail filer and I'm just gonna, like, you know, I'm just gonna take it off just like that. Just take it off, file it off. Just take 2 seconds. That off. And I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll be back. Okay, so my hands are washed and now I'm just about to put on some lotion. And this is just Bath and Body Works and the Stars. And you wanna make sure, honestly, I hate seeing dry hands. So make sure your hands is like, every time you look down and your hands is dry or nasty and stuff, go ahead and put some lotion on it. I hate dry hands. I hate when my hands is dry. I hate when I see other people's hands is dry. And it's always right here. My nails are done and they honestly look like I just left the salon. I love a almond shaped nail. They have all different shapes and sizes, so I'm glad that I chose these. So I'm glad I used them to do my nails. I'm a personal nail girly to the day I die because I hate just going to get my nails done, and doing my nails is just really therapeutic. So I just love that I can get that experience at home with my own time. And it doesn't take that long, honestly. Doing your nails really takes like 20-30 minutes. And I love that. So if you want these nails or any other nails that BT Art has, make sure you check out the link in my description for more information. And you get a code for money off. So do with that as you will. Anyway, thank y'all for watching and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. She was a fairy. Yeah, she was a fairy. That's how I feel. I feel so pretty.